Integrating Monday.com login into your application or system can enhance user experience and streamline workflows. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First, you need to create an account on Monday.com and obtain an API key. To do this, log into your Monday.com account, navigate to the admin section, and click on the API Keys tab. Generate a new API key and save it securely, as you will need it for the integration process. Next, choose an authentication method. Monday.com supports several authentication methods, including OAuth, JWT, and API key authentication. For most use cases, OAuth is the recommended method, as it provides a secure and seamless login experience for users. To implement OAuth, you need to register your application on the Monday.com developer portal. Fill in the required information, including the redirect URI, and obtain a client ID and client secret. You will use these credentials to authenticate users and authorize access to Monday.com data. Once you have set up OAuth, you can start the integration process. This involves redirecting the user to the Monday.com authorization page, where they will enter their credentials and grant access to your application. After authorization, Monday.com will redirect the user back to your application with an authorization code, which you can exchange for an access token. The access token is used to authenticate API requests to Monday.com. You can use it to retrieve user data, create and update items, and perform other actions on behalf of the user. Make sure to handle the access token securely and follow best practices for token storage and revocation. To test the integration, use the access token to make API requests to Monday.com. You can use tools like Postman or curl to test the API endpoints and verify that the integration is working as expected. Best practices for integrating Monday.com login include handling errors and exceptions, implementing token refresh and revocation, and following security guidelines for API key and access token storage. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Monday.com login into your application and provide a seamless user experience.